Rocky the Rook's rolling moves. Rocky isn't your average rook, he's got roller wheels, googly eyes, and a flag that flaps when he zooms. While other chess pieces march and slide, Rocky rolls, spins, and sometimes crashes into pawns. But when the Grandmaster match begins, and Rocky's wild moves cause chaos on the board, can this silly, speedy rook prove that heart and hustle matter more than perfect strategy? Rocky was a rook, but not the quiet, castle-shaped kind. He had roller wheels instead of a base, googly eyes that blinked when he turned, and a tiny flag on top that said zoom. The other chess pieces weren't sure what to make of him. Rooks move straight, said the bishop. Rooks don't spin, said the queen. Rooks don't giggle when they bump into pawns, said the knight. Rocky just smiled and rolled in a perfect line, then did a loop-de-loop and knocked over a bishop accidentally. During practice matches, Rocky zoomed across the board, dodging knights and waving at pawns. He wasn't perfect, he wasn't quiet, but he was fast, friendly, and full of heart. Then came the Grandmaster match. The board was silent. The crowd was watching. The referee raised his whistle. Rocky took a deep breath and rolled forward straight into a pawn tower. "Oops," he said. The crowd gasped. But instead of giving up, Rocky helped the pawns back up, made space for the queen, and rolled into position. His final move, a lightning-fast castle maneuver that surprised everyone and won the match. The crowd cheered. The queen smiled. Even the knight clapped his hooves. From that day on, Rocky became the official rook of kindness, speed, and sparkly surprises. Again, let's rhyme with Rocky. Rocky the Rook had wheels on his base. He zoomed through the board at a wild, silly pace. He spun past the knights. He waved to the queen. He crashed into pawns, but he always stayed keen. The others said, "Rooks don't roll like that." But Rocky just giggled and tipped his hat. In the big match, he zipped with delight and checkmated the king in the blink of an eye. So if your game needs a twist or a look, just roll like Rocky the heart-filled rook. Because sometimes the best move isn't just smart, it's the one that's made with a giggling heart. The end. Please subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thank you.